is very similar to this on choice board number 3. So again, choice board number 3 is where you're going to see a problem very similar to the one that I'm about to work out for you. I'm going to go ahead and start off by reading my problem 3 times. Timmy had 6 baseball cards. How many more cards does he need to collect 13? Let me go ahead and read it once. I'm going to read it again. And this time again, I circle my information. Timmy had 6 baseball cards. How many more cards does he need to collect 13? Read it twice. Timmy had 6 baseball cards. How many more cards does he need to collect 13? So we want to know how many more. So we have our beginning. We know he has 6. We need to figure out how many more to get to the 13. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by drawing a little model, a little picture. And this would be part of my plan to solve this problem. So I know Timothy has 6. So I'm just going to draw little rectangles to represent baseball cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here are his 6 baseball cards. We need to figure out how many more cards, so this is where my question is, how many more to get to my total of 13. So I need to add some cards in order to make it to 13. So what I can very simply do is I can count them off. So I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus however many this is gives me my 13. Let's go ahead and figure out what that number is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I know that 6 plus 7 gives me my 13. Another way for you guys to do it, for those of you who are a little bit more advanced and you get numbers, is you might say, well, 13 minus 6 would give me 7. Okay, so you can also work it backwards, which I'm going to show you right here in our fact family. So if you knew 13, 6, then you would know 13 minus 6 is 7, and that's how you could figure out that last missing number. You would know 13 minus 7 equals 6. You would know 7 plus 6 equals 13, or 6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay, and this again is called your fact family, where all 3 numbers connect to each other. Okay, so again, here's my model. Here, this part, the middle, was unknown, and that is how you are going to work this type of problem out. And again, you'll see this on module 3, or choice board number 3.